Hi everyone. The CT21 results had supposedly come out, okay, but again it was stopped. The link was stopped. Now, officially, when you call the CT authorities, they say the link is false or fake and the results are fake. But from my past experience, okay, what I've seen, whenever the results have come out early, like this, a fake link or whatever, the result that is normally shown early is the same as the final results. There's no change in the results. So normally, as far as till now, there has never been a case where the result that came out earlier is different from what was the final results. Someone must have found a link to find the results, must have circulated it, and people must have got the results. Authorities must have not wanted to disclose the results, I think, because some part of the exams are still left. But most likely, the results are likely to be same. I'm not saying it is definitely same, but most likely, in most certainty, the result that will come out is likely to be the same as the final results. Most likely on that aspect. Okay, so let's wait and watch till the final results come out. And one more reason that I'm saying this is because I have my students who scored a 99.99 percentile in this particular CET21, and they were expected to score that much. I mean, they were good students. If someone had to fake the results, imagine how difficult it is to find out which student is good, which student is bad, and then trying to get good results for for a good student and bad results for a bad student. I mean, even the percentile that must have been calculated from some database which was factual, right? So as I said, people already got the results. You can plan based on the results to come out. Anyway, for anything to go further, you will have to wait for the final results to come out. But in most certainty, from my past experience, it is high likely that the results which have been come out earlier would be the same as the final results. I'm not saying the official results, but the unofficial results that came out would most certainly be same as final results. And that is what I've seen from my students' results, that what was expected of them, they have scored that much. And let's anyway wait for the final results. But people who already seen the results can maybe plan based on the results. I don't see a problem. So if you have got a good score, you can plan to get into JBIMS. If you've not got a good score, you can plan to write the CAT again or whatever way it is. But there's no harm in writing CAT for people who have already scored well. I mean, instead of waiting for the final results to come out, there's no harm in looking at alternatives as such. Okay, and then maybe making a plan accordingly. What I'm trying to say is most likely the results are going to be same, but do plan alternatively if in any case whatever you want to do in the future. I hope that helps. Thank you.